the silence where your whispers dwell, every note an echo, a soft farewell, a melody that dances through the night, guiding our hearts, twinkling stars so bright, like a story wrapped in dreams, timeless and true. This love, a sonnet woven in time, crafted in echoes, a sweet soft rhyme. Together we're soaring, let feelings ignite, two hearts in a rhythm, embracing the night. Underneath the moonlight's gentle glow, two souls collide, letting feelings flow. We're painting skies with hues of romance in this symphony of a fleeting glance. Every heartbeat sings a song of desire. This love, a song